Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly special, an iconic name reborn with modern flair. This is the 2025 Karmann Ghia, a retro-styled coupe that pays tribute to its legendary Volkswagen roots while embracing the engineering and tech of today. It's sleek, it's nostalgic, and it's here to stir your automotive soul. Buckle up, because we're about to take a deep dive into everything this beauty offers, from the looks to the drive, inside and out. Let's start with the presence this car has on the road. The front end is a masterclass in blending the old and the new. It retains that unmistakable rounded nose from the original Ghia, but now it's sharper, with LED matrix headlights shaped like teardrops, subtle yet striking. A clean, chrome-accented grille sits low, framed by minimalistic air intakes that blend seamlessly into the bodywork. The hood gently curves down in true Ghia fashion, giving it an elegant yet sporty poise that screams timeless style. Slide your eyes to the side and that classic silhouette instantly evokes the spirit of the 1960s. But look closer and you'll see modernity infused in every detail. Flush door handles, 20-inch aerodynamic wheels, and subtle creases along the doors give the car a contemporary feel. The side windows remain elongated, giving the coupe an airy vibe, and the sleek coupe roofline flows into a subtly duck-tailed rear. The balance between heritage and innovation is seriously well executed here. Around back, it's more of that beautiful blend. The rear lights are now razor-thin OLEDs that run across the rear deck, giving a premium, futuristic glow. The rear bumper is clean, with a slim diffuser tucked beneath and a discreet dual exhaust setup on higher trims. There's a small Ghia badge right under the glass, just enough to make purists smile without shouting for attention. It's simple, elegant, and full of character. Inside the cabin, you're met with a space that surprises and delights. It feels like the designers really took their time to craft something unique. Soft-touch vegan leather wraps the dashboard, and there's a full-width ambient lighting strip that shifts color with drive modes. The centerpiece is a 12.9-inch curved infotainment display running a custom UI, minimalist, fast, and intuitive. Beneath that sits a floating center console, trimmed with brushed aluminum and natural wood accents. The front seats are bolstered just right, supportive but comfortable enough for long drives. Rear seats? They're there, but like most coupes, best reserved for bags or occasional passengers. The steering wheel is two-spoke, a nod to the vintage design, but with modern haptic controls. A fully digital driver cluster delivers crisp visuals, and the optional heads-up display projects navigation and speed onto the windshield, with AR-like precision. Performance-wise, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is no slouch. It comes in two main trims, a base rear-wheel drive model with 240 horsepower and a dual-motor all-wheel drive version pushing 380 horsepower. The AWD variant does 0-60 in just under 4.7 seconds. Not blisteringly fast, but quick enough to make you smile every time you punch it. The car is built on Volkswagen's MEB Plus platform, so yes, it's fully electric. It features a 77 kWh battery with up to 310 miles of range on the RWD model, and around 280 miles on the AWD. Ride quality is where it surprises most. It's smooth, planted, and agile, with adaptive dampers that make it feel refined in comfort mode and properly taught in sport mode. Regenerative braking is adjustable, and you can even set it to one-pedal driving. The car hugs corners with a poise you wouldn't expect from something that looks this classy. As for pricing, the base 2025 Karmann Ghia starts around $46,000, while the AWD Performance trim tops out close to $58,000. There's also a special launch edition at around $63,000, which includes exclusive paint options, interior themes, and a high-end Harman Kardon audio system. It's not cheap, but it sits right in that premium compact coupe segment. going up against cars like the Audi TT, BMW i4 eDrive 35, and even the Polestar 2. So what's the verdict? If you're looking for a car that stands out, not just because it's new, but because it's different, the 2025 Karmann Ghia deserves your attention. It's not just a retro revival for nostalgia's sake. It's a serious effort to blend heritage with innovation. For enthusiasts, it offers history with a heartbeat. For the modern driver, it delivers everyday usability, tech, and performance in a uniquely styled package. If there's one suggestion we'd throw out, it's maybe a little more performance for those who want it. A GT variant down the road with around 450 HP would be a dream. Also, some buyers might wish for more rear space, but honestly, it's a coupe with character, not a family hauler. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2025 Karmann Ghia. Let me know what you think in the comments. Does this modern throwback hit the mark for you? Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more detailed car reviews just like this. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.